Hey, can you shut the fuck up? So I guess we're going on a bit of a group ride today. I'm not sure exactly how many people are going to show up. Wonder how many people are going to show up. 7, maybe 3. Uh-oh, Xavier's here. We got 1 guy so far. The gang's all here!
I got plenty of friends. I can name 3 right off the bat. The gang's all here.
Would that say statutory rape or something on that one? AJ's gonna try to get the cops here before we even leave. It's cold. I want to turn my GoPro off, but then I know AJ's gonna wreck. I'm not gonna have it on film.
He does like retarded shit.
Yeah, sure. That thing's sick. I just ran those way more than I thought I was going to. Sick. Forgot somebody. Who?
Friend Anthony was coming in.
Poor Anthony.
I got there, I was like, well, I guess this is their bike.
How sick is that bike though? Sick! He thought that thing had power for a second. Well, he's better than you on his second try.
Yeah. That's the longest wheelie it's ever been run.
Yeah.
It's almost like he's not scared to find the balance point.
Yeah. He's gonna sell his bike and get a Grom.
Anthony was telling me that.
He better than
Pisses
you.
me off.
Oh yeah, he's on
Okay.
him. He's on the back peg.
Okay, let's go test that out.
Isn't it funny? It took him 1 try. Just okay. Now I know what it feels like, and here it
That'd
is.
be great.
You gonna buy one? Yeah.
Yeah, there's Anthony. There he is.
Not you, Jeep Rice. This guy back here.
Dude, look at this cafe racer. Yeah. I gotta get one.
They're sick, dude. A lot of people who ride big bikes get them just because they're just fun, little agile, stupid bikes.
Like I think I could learn to do circles on that.
Circle wheelies?
Yeah.
Do stuff. He's gonna do stuff. Wow, the back of that Jeep says Mule Lover. That is classy. Wow.
Really back here? Better believe it.
Hey, no smoking at the gas pumps, please.
Wow!
No open flames. It looks better than it did last year.
And it's not seeping.
It's not seeping and leaking.
Yeah, that was bad last time.
Scott's just me from the future.
Oh,
Yeah.
you gotta get your real bike though.
I got the realest bike here, bud.
Bud?
I need to get that thing.
Yeah. That'd be way cooler than any motorcycle. You can run over a motorcycle with that.
Got a motorcycle on half of that.
True. It is a big fucking saw. Did you see that, AJ? It's just a big boom saw. Yeah.
I would hit houses with it and stuff.
Stop it. Get some help.
All right, guess we're turning around here.
Hungry?
Let's kill something. Wait, a beard?
That too.
Oh.
I'll walk up like this, sucker for my neck.
Sucker for your neck?
Yeah.
Sucker. $10.
AJ's mom's a good sucker on your neck. There's kids
Yeah,
over
she's
there.
only $10.
Yeah, she's only $10.
Just put that kid right.
Do a wheelie for the kids. Kids love wheelies. Guess we're headed to some biker bar to get some food. Holy shit, this place is packed. Jimbo's is popping. Are those customers too?
Probably.
Lord have mercy. That building don't even look big enough to legally hold that many people.
Let me tell you something, Jeff. I don't give two shits off.
As long as you got food.
As long as I got food.
We just stayed at a biker bar, but we were the only people there on bikes. It was actually pretty nice though. Food was good. Pretty nice inside. Bow gyms. Check it out. Jimbo's. Something. I don't know. Jimbo's. Check it out. Yeah. It feels warm in your Peter pants too. For a second. Oh, look at this guy. I need to get my tuner installed. Yeah. Can't be having that.
What do you want to do?
I don't know.
I don't want to go home, kind of.
Yeah. Just come off that hill and just fucking send it, bro.
Okay.
It would be cool if you like kind of lost it and went out there.
Would it?
Yeah, I mean for me, personally. Pretty sick. Was that it?
Yeah.
Hit that balance point though, and then didn't balance, so I just hit the brake.
You got there, that's all that matters.
Yep. So I tried to convince my girlfriends of, doesn't matter how long I was there,
It's that I got
it's that I got there, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do a sick burnout, maybe. Sick. That'd been real cool if he wrecked into me. What if you like slipped off and jammed that metal plate into your fucking gooch? Wouldn't that be cool? Like you cut, like you're up and you slip off, and then that catches your nuts.
Sounds
rips them like out of your body. It's like that sixlets candy when you like milk them out. It would do that to your testicles out of your sack. Just, all right, let's go. Mrs. G, can I piss in your shitter real quick? AJ's mom is not happy about him not having his helmet on and doing wheelies.
Thank Wheelie here that today is...
That's pretty sick. Do that one again. Same one.
Yeah.
Turn this big fucking hog around. I mean, it's getting colder out and stuff, but we kind of just don't want to stop riding.
Now what?
Let's go home. No, just kidding.
Yeah!
That was my first, like, even remotely successful stopping. Nope.
That one was fucking good.
Yeah, I know. That was the best one I've ever done. Oh, God. Police. Act natural. Who's Papa Wheelie?
I think I should probably go home.
Why?
I'm gonna end up getting in fucking trouble.
Why?
I don't know.
Give me the green light.